This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Bing and navigating to the image generation panel. Make sure you are signed in so prompts and settings are saved. Next, define your intent, what subject, artistic style, and aspect ratio you want, because that guides every parameter. Once done, write a concise reference line describing the scene, color palette, and perspective, and optionally upload a reference image to ground the result. Follow these first actionable steps now, so the generation produces useful, controllable outcomes. Now you construct the detailed prompt. Start with the main subject and add specific modifiers like lighting, camera angle, and mood so the model knows how to render shapes and atmosphere. Then append style tags, for example photorealistic, cinematic, or watercolor, and include the chosen aspect ratio to control framing. Make sure to add negative instructions to exclude artifacts or unwanted items. Once you iterate a couple of times and compare outputs, you'll understand which words steer results and which produce noise. Finally, launch the generation and review the variations. Pick the best and, if needed, use an edit or rerun with tweaked language to improve composition. Make incremental adjustments, swap adjectives, simplify complex instructions, or upload a clearer reference, because small changes yield big differences. If the model fails or outputs artifacts, clear your cache, restart the session, and simplify the prompt into smaller steps. This troubleshooting tip quickly resolves common issues and gets you back to producing clean images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.